And now, here comes the Pangasinan State University Binmaley campus, together with their campus executive director, Dr. Marie-Claire Briones. From a small town endowed with coastal environmental resources and regarded first-class municipality of Binmaley, there exists the PSU Binmaley campus in Barangay San Isidro Norte. PSU Binmaley campus is one of the 9 campuses of the Pangasinan State University. It's strategically located in the coastal town of Binmaley, Pangasinan. Having PSU as the only existing higher education institution and only state university in town, the municipality and townspeople of Binmaley greatly hope in providing quality education to the students, stakeholders, communities, not only here but also in some other towns and cities. Once again, the Pangasinan State University Binmaley campus. Kaway-kaway naman po dyan, mga ma'am and sir.
Banaan sa ating bayan, itakit ang kabataan, barangada, buong pamilya, walang kasing saya sa Binmaley talaga. Agarian, ligat ni, na Binmaley, suwa sa Mario, manumandag, sugayagan, silbi, huli-huli, balini, tuloy kinsang kailimita, nanamyoy, ligat ni, manlakapay, iwawatan, gayagan, Binmaley. Galila dyan, magayagan, Binmaley, kami nasipan, dayuton, kaligtan, liksi sayawan, ipus-pusong kansyonan, yan man labong, yan napilit kunsyaan.
The students of PSU Binmaley campus with their tumblers. Tumblers. Sponsored by Alpha Flask.
Agarian, ligat ni, na Binmaley, suwa sa Mario, manumandag, sugayagan, silbi, huli-huli, balini, tuloy kinsang